What's going on, everyone? We are back. We're gonna go over another problem. This is our thumbnail from the last video. This was the zigzag conversation, and so today we're gonna be working on, go down here, find the index of the first occurrence in the string, and this is marked easy, so we'll see how easy this thing really is. And if it is easy, we're gonna make it even easier. To go over the channel, go ahead and copy from the bottom to the top, and we'll have our AI read this thing for us. So let's go ahead and pop this into chat. Let's go ahead and get into this.
Problem summary. We are looking for the first position of the string needle inside another string haystack. If needle is not in haystack, we return -1. Example. Input, haystack equals sad but sad, needle equals sad. Output, 0, since sad first appears at index 0. Input, haystack equals LeetCode. Output -1, since Lido doesn't appear in LeetCode. Would you like the anime or gaming story for this problem? The needle in the code stack. In the cyber world of Code Realm, an elite hacker named Zeroblade was tasked with hunting down a rogue virus fragment, codenamed Needle. This fragment had hidden itself within a massive data stream known as the haystack. Zeroblade needed to locate the very first occurrence of the needle within the haystack before the system collapsed. To accomplish this, he used a precise algorithm that scans each character of the haystack and compares it to needle. If he couldn't find it, he'd return -1 to signal that the fragment was gone for good. But if he succeeded, he'd return the index where the needle began its infiltration. The task required speed, accuracy, and careful execution. And now, the fate of Code Realm is in your hands, programmer. Solution in Java. Here's how Zeroblade's algorithm works step by step. 1. Scan the haystack string from left to right. 2. At each character, check if the next few characters match the needle string. 3. If a match is found, return the starting index. If no match exists after scanning the haystack, return -1. Here's the code. Java public class solution, public int string haystack, string needle. Get the lengths of both strings, int haystack length equals haystack.length, int needle length equals needle.length. If the needle is empty, return 0. It's always found at the start. If needle length equals 0, return 0. Loop through the haystack until there's no room left for the needle. For int I equals 0, I equal haystack length dash needle length, I++. Check if the substring matches the needle. If haystack.substring I plus needle length equals needle, return I. Must return the index where needle starts. If no match is found, return -1, return -1. Explanation in 3rd, 4th grade language 1. Think of the haystack as a really long sentence and the needle as a word you're trying to find in it. 2. You look through the sentence one word or letter at a time. 3. If you find the word you're looking for, you say where it starts. That's the index. 4. If you go through the whole sentence and don't find it, you return -1 to say, it's not here. Example walkthrough. Haystack equals sad but sad. Needle equals sad. Steps. 1. Start at index 0 and check the first 3 letters sad. It matches. 2. Return 0 because that's where sad first appears. Input. Haystack, needle, Lidos. 1. Start at index 0. Check each group of letters. 2. None of the letters match Lido. The return -1 because Lido isn't there. Do you want to generate a gaming-inspired thumbnail for this LeetCode challenge? It will include the title and an epic digital hacking theme.
Okay, let's go for it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all, but I don't want to waste my stuff, so we're gonna see if this code works and go from there. Let's run this. Everything work. Let's see. Next problem is going to be text justification, and this one is hard. Stay tuned.